I'm now finishing off on this and linking this back to what we do as a company. So what you can see there, Liesel and Ida are busy growing a tree. And at the bottom of that tree, you will see them placing the AfriGIS data sets or geographic data in general. We believe that this is very important in terms of enabling infrastructure, etc. But taking the data and building tools on top of it that allows you to analyze it is what we think is going to be the next step. So you see Liesel adding the mapping component, the JavaScript API, etc., the searching component, the communication component, which is Marbil, and finally a payments component, which is more of an integration switch type effect. And then on top of that, all of the different AfriGIS enablers, ranging from the mapping side, Marbil, IntiendoLS, and so forth. So taking this data and making it rich into these types of enablers. Now, 3 or 4 years ago, before Brian had us under his wing, we will stop there. We love the enablers, and we think that you can imagine what you want to do with it, and we leave it at that. But subsequently, we've realized that we need to productize these things into things which you can more easily understand and implement. You don't necessarily have time to try to figure out all of our enablers, and those are the fruits that they're adding to the tree. And I'll speak a bit more about that in a second when I wrap it up in terms of the AfriGIS mobility framework. So what we did is we said, yes, this is great. We've got a whole bunch of geographic data. We've got a whole bunch of enablers on top of it. Mapping, searching, communication, payments. These we've wrapped up in pieces of software, and you can buy our data as well. And then finally, these we've taken into products. But how does this fit into your business?